From door to dock, your tracking technologies play a vital role in establishing transparent traceability, which is why when they fail or get misplaced, the whole operation suffers, including your customers. To prevent this from happening, DBK Concepts partners with Zebra and SOTI to maximize device performance and protect undisrupted uptime with tracking that thrives in enterprise. Count on expert insight in developing a tracking solution leveraging Zebra's purpose-built handhelds and rugged tablets, so your teams can scan, update, and share data with ease across entire facilities with less manual data entry. Strengthen customer trust with scanning engines designed for higher accuracy and speed, so your workers can update inventory at every touchpoint. And eliminate the hassles of asset management with DBK and SOTI by tracking device performance and health remotely to ensure devices are used properly and stored correctly at the end of each shift for uncompromising performance around the clock. Contact DBK to learn how you can get started today.